Hello friends. Today I will tell you about how to grow hair faster and longer in a week. 7 best tips. Hair growth is basically challenging task. There is not a magic secret to how to make hair grow faster overnight. It demands some patience on your part, as well as you have to be vigilant and conscious about any undergoing changes in your hair. Here are 7 best tips to growing your hair really long within short time. Before start this video, I want to request you, please subscribe our channel for more future health and beauty tips. So let's get started. Please watch this video till end for more benefits. Tip number 1. Rinse cold water. Before you step out of the shower, douse your mane in cold water for a few seconds. This will help seal your hair cuticles and prevent moisture loss and heat damage. Alternatively, avoid using scalding hot water when washing your hair, as it can weaken and dry out strands over time. Tip number 2. Wet hair massage. While washing your hair, massage the scalp with your fingertips, starting at the back of the neck and moving around the hairline. A perfect excuse to stay in the shower longer, no? Tip number 3. Dry scalp massage. Give yourself at-home scalp massages, says LA hair care specialist and stylist Philip B. Massaging your head can help stimulate the blood flow to your scalp, which helps nutrients get to your hair follicles more quickly. Better yet, nudge a friend to give you a scalp massage. Tip number 4. Get trimmed. We know, you're trying to avoid chopping off any length. However, healthy hair grows faster, and if you keep on letting split ends work their course, they can keep forking further up the strand, damaging hair and causing breakage. Tip number 5. Vitamin 101. UCLA dermatologist Harold Lancer also suggests taking an over-the-counter vitamin every day that contains antioxidant blends and vitamin B derivatives to help fortify strands. Supplements like biotin, found at basically any local pharmacy, encourage healthy hair and nail growth, while some hair care experts recommend taking Viviscal as well to speed things up. Tip number 6. Condition. Fact: shampoo takes all of the dirt and grime out of your hair and scalp, while conditioner replenishes nutrients that your hair needs to be healthy and shiny. To help keep your hair in tip-top shape without stripping your hair of its natural oils and nutrients, opt for a deep treatment hair mask more often and ditch the shampoo now and then in favor of a dry shampoo. Tip number 7. Lay off the heat tools. Deep down, you know that the burnt hair smell your straightener produces can't be a great sign for your tresses. To avoid heat damage, use your dryer, curling iron, and flat iron less, and when you do, use heat protectant products to shield your strands from harm, like Altina Hair Care Caviar Repair Multivitamin Heat Protection Spray. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you think this video is helpful for others, please share it on WhatsApp and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more health, beauty and home remedies tips. Bye bye. Take care.